How to clear cache and junk files on your Redmi Note 7. First, unlock your device. From the app drawer, find the security app. It's a green shield icon that comes pre-installed. Now, tap on Cleaner. It automatically scans your phone for junk files, cache, residuals, and more. Sit back for a few seconds. And done. Tap on Cleanup at the bottom and boom, space freed. Bonus tip: want to do it regularly? You can add a cleaner shortcut to your home screen too. Clearing cache and junk files help free up storage, speed up your phone, fix app glitches, improve battery life, and keep your device running smoothly and clutter-free. That's it. Your Redmi Note 7 is now lighter and faster. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.